Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today in this video I am going to discuss about how to earn money from affiliate marketing. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So in order to earn money from affiliate marketing, at first you should know what is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is that type of marketing where a person can earn money by promoting other person's product in any digital media or digital platform. So how you can earn money by affiliate marketing? So in order to earn money by affiliate marketing, at first you should join yourself as a affiliate marketer in any online selling media or online selling platform. As for example, Amazon has affiliate marketing program. So if you have any Facebook page or if you have any YouTube channel, then you should join yourself as a affiliate marketer in Amazon affiliate marketing program. So after successfully joining yourself as a affiliate marketer in Amazon affiliate marketing program, Amazon will provide you some referral link and you should post those referral link on your YouTube videos or on your Facebook page. So if any customer click on those referral link and buy any product, then Amazon will give you some commission. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.